Hello viewer, my name is Shubho. You are watching Money Making channel. In this channel, we start to share most valuable money making ideas and skill for becoming financially strong together and you can live your life independently. Also, you can earn money when you are traveling or sleeping. So, join us for becoming financially strong together. Subscribe your channel, is the bell icon. Thank you so much. So let's start this video about how to growing Instagram follower fast 2020. In this video, I want to share with you an actionable way to growing your Instagram follower fast in 2020. Actionable step number 1: content. Remember, first you convert your personal account to business account. First, choose your particular niche like traveling, cooking, fashion, business, digital marketing, graphic design, photography, and many more. As you like, according your choice, you can choose your niche first. So now, actionable step number 1: your content. Content is the key. What is the goal of your content? You should always be driving your audience to next step. Create valuable content. You give to some reason to your audience for follow you. Think, how can you help your audience? Think, how can your content give some value of others' life? Create actionable, shareable content. People like your content, comment on your content, save your content, visit your profile. That is all call to action. Means people like your content, prefer your content, follow your post, view, insight, and track your growth daily basis. And think how to make more valuable and actionable content. Learn from others, those are growing fast in your field. Patience, testing, experiment, and be consistent. Actionable step number 2: your bio. Your bio allow the brand to share more information and provide more value with people who visit your profile. Your Instagram bio extremely important in establishing your brand, attracting your ideal audience, increasing sales. Your Instagram bio one of the most important part of your Instagram profile, especially when it comes to attracting new followers and building your brand. Bio help to understand exactly who are you and what you are all about. You show in your bio specific niche, profession, or showcase a particular skill. Also, you give some reason in your bio for why people follow you. Actionable step number 3: consistent. Post consistently, at least once a day. Why consistency matter? Posting more consistently can also help with your Instagram engagement. Consistency is the key with Instagram. Data show that brand that post between 2 and 10 times per day get the best result. More often you post, the more like and follower you get. According to the study, profile that post 7 or more times a week or at least once a day get more like and gain more followers faster than those that post less frequently. Actionable step number 4, your caption or microblogging. A great Instagram caption. Someone spent long time reading your caption and engaging with your post long time. The better your post will rank with the Instagram algorithm. Caption are a powerful tool that can be used to encourage like, comment and even visit to your website. And if your post gets enough engagement, it might even end up on the explore page. Lengthy caption that champion storytelling and authenticity are driving great result. The microblogging caption trend is a great way to connect on a deeper level with your follower, which in turn can boost brand loyalty. Not forgetting that a good Instagram caption with an effective call to action (CTA) is one of the best way to inspire your follower to comment on your post, and that means even more engagement on your account. While creating beautiful content for your feed is ultra important. If you want to get more engagement on your post and maybe even reach new audience, writing a good Instagram caption that drive engagement is a great strategy. Actionable step number 5, hashtag. Hashtag help you reach your target audience. The hashtag not only connect you with your followers but your followers with each other. Using hashtag to promote your business and brand. Use them correctly and you will get your post seen by more people likely to be interested in your product or brand. To make an Instagram post successful, choose the right hashtag. When you share Instagram post with hashtag, it will get 12% more engagement than the post with no hashtag. The hashtag help your post to reach a large number of audience, attracting more followers to your page. Actionable step number 6. For growing your followers, you can mix up your post. Your post make it interesting. Use images, videos, stories, IGTV. Post daily basic and mix up. According to a report, engagement number for video are growing at a faster rate than images. Also, Instagram story is a wonderful way to give quick message or show your creativity and gain followers fast. Instagram story allow your follower to see images and videos. New post. Try to post 1 to 7 story per day. Stories feature can highlight when you update or promote your next. Instagram enable you to show off your creative idea and engage with your audience. Instagram stories interact with your audience. Instagram stories get 2 to 3x the engagement of a regular post. The temporary 24 hours time frame is a good way to promote discount and competition. The time frame create a buzz around a deal and gets people to take action quickly by visiting your website or showing your brand a direct message. You can use people into interaction with your brand by getting a particular message across through a story or asking them a specific question. You could host a quick question answer session. Story a good idea to have strong call to action. Create content and get your audience involved. Next, IGTV. IGTV boosts visibility of product and service. Opportunity to effectively educate and entertain your audience. Generate more opportunities for engagement and conversation. Provide more opportunities for community building. A positive experience with video content increase the user purchase probability by 97%. 53% of marketers see Instagram video as important than others content. In 2020, 80% of all internet content will be video content. Users love video. In fact, they spend almost 90% more time on websites that have videos. Actionable step number 7. Engagement. Why is engagement so important for the Instagram algorithm? Instagram give priorities engagement, encourage interaction by asking question or write valuable eye-catching caption or different way to use for engage your audience. Standard engagement rate on Instagram between 1 to 3% is generally good. Like, comment, save, share, it's all help you build a engagement and community on Instagram. The more you like and comment on other user photos, reply to said comment on your own, the more likely you are to get involved in their conversation. To meet new user, to be seen as one of the community. Just make sure your engagement is genuine. Instagram as a platform reward those who spend more time on their platform. Use analytics, view insights, what your audience want, what type of content your audience like more or engage more. You make this type of content. Follow your competitor also for understand and give this type of content. Actionable step number 8. Post on your best time. Visual graph showing the days and times that your Instagram followers are most active. If you go to the followers section of Instagram Insight and click on learn more, you will see a full page of information about your followers. This show you information what time is best for you or your post or your audience. Posting at peak times would also help you get bigger rates of engagement. The exact best time for your business will be unique to your individual business. No matter what the data says, you will want to test this for yourself to see when your audience is actually online. Instagram algorithm, more you engage, Instagram give more value or important. Also, you can follow your same niche pages when they are post and getting more engagement. For understanding, actionable step number 9, Instagram highlight. Instagram story highlight are extremely valuable because they allow brand to easily showcase the content they want user to see first. You can think of them as a movie trailer for your Instagram feed. Instagram highlights is a surefire way to build a more human brand that your followers can relate it to. Instagram stories highlights are an incredible tool for businesses to showcase and promote their brand. It's helping new visitors discover what your company is all about. You can use this for show off your product, drive traffic, or market your business. Also, you can use about your new launch and many more. And finally, actionable step number 10, promotion. Proper promotion help you grow your Instagram follower fast. Two type of promotion. One, paid promotion. You can run ads or paid for shout out or paid for influencer marketing for promote your Instagram page and gain follower first. And second method, free promotion. Find some same niche and talk to each other for promotion and promote each other post in your feed. That is called cross promotion or share for share and gain more extra followers. And another free way, drive traffic from other site like your YouTube channel, Facebook, blog, Snapchat, website, Twitter, like that. You promote your Insta page, give your Instagram link and tell you for following you. Also, give some reason for why people follow you. Use this powerful marketing strategy for gain your Instagram follower first. But remember, your content should be create value or create valuable content. Otherwise, ads or this type of thing not working properly because content is the key. If you are not start your Instagram journey as a business, then you can start. We are helping you and become a financially strong together. If you like this video, then subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. If this video help you, then please comment yes. Thank you for spending your some valuable time with us. Next video coming soon about Instagram algorithm, Instagram tips and trick, investment and money making, so many ideas. So keep learning, keep growing together, keep patience, be consistent, stay happy, stay safe.